Here we have the menu at one of the places on the banks of this Laguna Apoyo. Pretty relatively well-priced stuff. A little bit more expensive here than it was in the city of Granada. $2.90, I guess that's about $8 US for a decent meal, I'm sure. Yeah, so people are just sort of all hanging out along the banks of the river. They're all drinking, eating, drinking, listening to music, swimming. It's a very relaxed vibe around this area. Some people are making romance. Other people are selling. The boys trying to sell their sunglasses here. And I'm sure my new Argentinian friend Carolina, she's going to have a good opportunity to sell some of her stuff in this area. Lots of hammocks. Just walking along the banks of this lake here, and it's become a little bit more remote. I've passed a few resorts that are a little bit schwanky, a little bit more pricey looking, and now I'm coming to an area where it's a lot more remote. There's a dirt road. There's a few people making romance in the water there. There's a dirt road here, which I'm assuming is going to turn into a just a walking trail. Okay, so yeah, you're not allowed to go in with your motorbike or anything like that. Yep. Yeah, I was a couple of friendly locals, or one traveller, American guy, and hi chicos. One American guy with his Nicaraguan wife just gave me a lift in the back of their ute before. And before that, a taxi driver actually picked me up and gave me a free ride. So things are looking up. Things are looking pretty good so far. Bit of construction going on here. What have we got there? So like something to do with the natural reserve. There's a fella down there snorkeling. Get a load of that. I'm not sure what he's seeing. There he goes. He's got one of those new age snorkels. I haven't used those yet. They're meant to be a bit more comfortable. Rightio. Now we've made it to the walking trail. It's not much of a trail really, quite thin. Just the kind of walking trail I like. No people, and just surrounded by nature. It's good. And I think that is where I was over there before, somewhere in that vicinity. So yeah, we'll continue on. We'll get a good perspective of what's going on once we get up the top to the Mirador. And we'll be able to just see the lay of the land and have a good look at everything around the area. It's a pretty high point. Might be able to see a few other volcanoes and whatnot from up the top there. I've just come to this area following the trail, which is some kind of resort. It says private property. Maybe it's actually someone's house up here. The sign's not up, so I guess we're allowed to enter. Wow. It's like some kind of retreat. Little Buddha statue over there. Maybe it's like a kind of yoga retreat or something. Looks like a lovely spot though. I better clear out before someone tells me to rack off. As you can see here, covering the ground at my feet is all of this pumice stone, volcanic rock. Now, I don't know much about volcanoes, definitely not an expert, but what I have heard is that when you have this kind of pumice stone, it means the volcanoes in the area are containing a kind of silicon-based lava, which is which has a likelihood of being much more explosive than other volcanoes which are more iron-based and slow, sort of, and only erupt slowly. So because I'm finding this here, I'm assuming that this volcano, she blew.